So guys, I'm going to show you how to change the clock on your iPhone home screen. From the small analog clock to the big digital. I'm also going to show you how to change the style for it. So this is pretty simple. Now if you press on the clock, it of course brings up the clock. So what you want to do instead is hold down. So from your some options, what you want to do is press the second icon. So now it's a much larger widget. What you can also do is make it an app. So I'm just going to hold down and press the first icon. So what you can also do is hold down blank spot. Select edit. Select add widget. Select the clock. So here you can change to whichever style. Select add widget. Yep, so now you can move it around. So when you press this, it goes into your clock. And if you want, you can remove the original clock. So I'm just going to hold down and press remove app. Alright guys, thanks for watching.